this is Tim from Your Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix the PlayStation error code 30005-8 when you cannot start the application on your PlayStation. So to do this, we want to go up to the top and go to Settings, and then go on down to where it says Application Save Data Management. Then we want to go to Save Data in System Storage, then go to Delete right here, and it's going to say please wait. Then locate the game you're having a problem with and you cannot start. And there might be some corrupted data within the files right here. So let's go to Quake 2 for example. There might be a file in here that says corrupted. Now what you could do is go to it and then delete it. Otherwise, you can go to Select All and you can delete everything under here. And if you're a PlayStation Plus subscriber, you can just download all the saved data from the cloud. So we can back out of here. Then go to Save Data in Online Storage, and you need PlayStation Plus to do this, and it will automatically upload if you have this turned on. So you might want to go ahead and check to see if the saved data is in this section before deleting it. So let's choose it, and then go to Download to System Storage, and it's going to say please wait for like 20 seconds, so just let it load. So then locate the game. Here's Quake 2. Let's select it. Then we can download the data back to our PlayStation. So if the data becomes corrupted, we can just download it from the cloud. Now, if you don't have PlayStation Plus or that didn't work, hold down the PlayStation button, then go to Power, and then go to Turn Off, and completely 100% turn off your PS4. Now, locate a USB cable and plug it into your controller, just like this, and wait for your PlayStation 4 to completely turn off. So it's blinking right now, and it should become a solid black color right here. Now hold down the power button. You will hear one beep, and then about 10 seconds later you will hear a second beep, and then you can go ahead and let go. But your PlayStation has to be completely turned off for you to enter rest mode, for you to enter the safe mode. Now hold down the PlayStation button here and just tap it. Then you should be able to use the D-pad to move around the safe mode menu and press X to select. Now we want to go down to option number 5, Rebuild Database. It says it may take a few hours, but in my experience it only takes about 5 minutes to do this. So it's going to restart your PlayStation 4 and then bring you up a screen where it says an estimated amount of time of how long it's going to take. And if you do have corrupted data on this PlayStation 4, it should go ahead and fix that data for you. Another thing that you could try under the safe mode is update the system software. You could update using the internet. Maybe there's an issue with some of the software that you downloaded and is corrupted there. You can try just updating the system software and get a fresh copy from the internet. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Tech.